Docker used to be the king of containers. You said containers, people heard Docker. It was fast, portable, repeatable, and it changed how we built and shipped software. But here's the reality in 2025. Developers are moving on. Not because Docker is gone, but because the container world doesn't revolve around the whale anymore. Let's talk about why. First, money. Docker Desktop was free until it wasn't. The moment Docker put licensing walls around bigger companies, teams started asking, wait, do we really need this thing? And suddenly Podman, Rancher Desktop, OrbStack, Finch, Colima, all these names started trending on GitHub stars faster than a new JavaScript framework. Second, performance. Docker on Linux? Great. Docker on macOS and Windows? Pure pain. Heavy builds, battery drain, your MacBook fans sounding like a jet engine. Meanwhile, Finch, built on Lima and nerdctl, runs smoother, lighter, and doesn't make your laptop cry. Developers voted with their CPUs. Third, security. Docker's daemon runs as root. That means one bad exploit and, congrats, the attacker owns your box. Sure, Docker added rootless mode later, but Podman was designed daemonless from day one. Run containers as a regular user, no escalated privileges. That's why Red Hat and OpenShift ship Podman by default. Fourth, the modular world. Docker tried to be everything. Docker Hub, Swarm, Compose, the whole ecosystem. But cloud-native tooling moved on. Kubernetes runs 90% of orchestrated containers now, and it doesn't even need Docker. K8s uses containered or cryo under the hood. Helm handles packaging. Buildah builds images without daemons. In 2026, devs don't want one monolith. They want Lego bricks. So, should you drop Docker? Not necessarily. It's still great for local dev, quick compose setups, tutorials, and beginners. But in production, especially with Kubernetes, CI/CD pipelines, or regulated environments, you'll see Podman, Containered, Cryo, and Finch taking the lead. The bottom line, Docker didn't die. It just stopped being the only name in the game. And honestly, that's healthy. Competition means lighter runtimes, better security, and faster builds. The whale is still swimming, but the ocean is a lot more crowded now. So what about you? Still running Docker, or did you already swap to Podman, Containered, or Finch? Drop it in the comments because this container story isn't finished. Developers like you are literally writing the next chapter.